Today, we're showing you how to view vaccination records on Walgreens online. Plus, if you want to get your Walgreens order delivered in under an hour, use DoorDash and enjoy free delivery on your first order. You'll find our exclusive link waiting for you in the description below. To start, go to the website walgreens.com and click on the account option in the upper right corner of the screen. A side tab with several options will then appear. Click on the option that says Sign In. Then, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. After entering the email and password, click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. A side tab will then appear. Click on the option that says Vaccination Records. There you will see your vaccination records. That's how you view your vaccination records on Walgreens online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.